Hello, today I have built this workflow. So first let me explain what this workflow does. So over here I have a collection of images. So these are all clothing images. So I want this workflow to analyze this image and write a description for me on Google Sheet. So the workflow that I built will effectively loop through these images and write a description for me on Google Sheet. So that's it. So let me run this workflow. Okay, now it's downloading all the files from Google Drive. Okay, now it's completed. So let's go and check our Google Sheet. Yes, it has managed to write us a description for all our images. So let me first check. Let me check this number 4. Okay, number 4, black base with white polka dots evenly distributed. Looks correct. It actually matches the description actually matches the dress. Let's go and check number 1. It's a uniform yellow with distributed print, likely lightweight, long sleeves. Okay, it's also correct. It matches the image right here. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.